Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ganensen TV GH so wo frame Adwoa searching.
I so got fish or wanting. And also more once a day. Not here. Ya jala wano yen tiani in tiachna. Oh, demonstration of course.
Yeah.
Oh, demonstration.
A comedy demonstration.
So my mother was a retired senior midwife.
Okay.
Demonstration of course, so much agree be as a white. No more team.
Not here I will hold something to say.
That time was
the no about chrono. Donia onwa di ewuo. Do onwa ye bone a yesi ye kotwena asonte ye fa ne koto afiase no. When increase ni daily fee no, ni feeding fidelin echo 5 cities. And your manna echo school there you can't increase yes for them.
Only be o yama mu. That's one thing that you
nti yenna ye nua no that prison edidi yie echa ye ma secondary school. Na banya uti so a se obi efa mobile phone so edi wian crofo sticker untimi enchiwom na mo so bi ko TikTok anso bi ko social media e ko kasabia utimi the IP address e ko chiwom na akromfo na wian na for there untimi enchiwom
forgetting that they use the same platform to campaign for you and campaign against the new patriotic party.
O de enfa no kronto omo mu wian ye sika no e wo social e wo yi
and ya nya de fa no hu
onfa IP address en ko chiwom
enfa no
because ba ko bi frame
asma kan Sam George onim e na sam fofo
no me janenkra because obia and na me no ti ho Ghana for ensu o ye mu transaction kra na obetimi abon best 50 times and sana I go through
asa kronfo gire chire twen so be mistake no ma
and me no ka say o ye ko na o ka sa now sign at different ayi ewum you can't fight for Ghanaians but DSTV ehun here obia no eno hu
de pan kra na DSTV Sam George be kan say so omutimi win power na say within 3 months se mampani friend John Dramani mama mampani CC so one scrap communication tax for no resign
because say
boy you know
no
what
na buy na buy
from regional party as
high private jet
as one will be for one or mom see be for one
what do you say when your family don't find that me know
look by you boy that me the mom fufu adi
I say it is a company me no be sort into room nti ya nisi ya ban na enim se mo ba beso via pa bio
da bio mo ni
dia bio na sa tete ro na ba beso bra kom de
ye ka kire o
and me no ka say uto ade ayento and all this business community are crying what you say ade ba ko a ono akasa ka kire Ghana fo ne say ase Ghana ni re ho no mo nsa na ni ji a ono mo nsa
e wan maka
nti ensa enya de a also bi kra etomboka and now bedu bia ba no ya enyum kwa no mo boni pante ho
uni mze nsa kra me minum bi da nti nsa o de example fa so be na me nom sa
na de nsa no o no
bi da me njo me num wi da uni nsa na example sa kra he de
uni first no me bi obi na me tai ehwe niema enti metimi etuka na menam krum na me hwe ade ya dawo ubetimi anantia be se bi ba bonti se mra emema ja empra twe kofom no ade entia
ahochire ntia
and ahochire ba ma twempra na sai ahochire ba ma enyina mwane nkramedidi abonti nyina afo because obi kwa nyina gya netfo no makonya di
I see
ahochire ntia ahochire no ma yahwe nkrama ni enyina ma da bonti
empra twe so at won Patrick Ewuku member of the new Patriotic Party Deputy Communication Officer no pay akasema numpene ye koma Eric Boamina menwese birthday we ansa na yakọ NPP Eastern Regional Head of the Security Party Security efrenom Alhaji Ibrahim ene na woda nti yenwese no happy birthday on the head the party security no ewo
obi biara owo Ghana ha owo aban mu wo benefit afri galamse mu 1 cedi na ene wosu ba yisu chema wontumi as scapegoat nyame betua wo kawo se wo party na benefit se ankrankra bi wo party ma benefit se obi aye bi mo anka ho asem na mo se mo di chema wontumi e beto tankruwam na mo aye ne bone atwena so a from head to toe nyame betua mu nyina aka na nyame akatua ne eba mo hunu kwa be fa so beba enti mo hwe niam ayie animal farm no a abronya judge kan ho asem no ase emse eye NDC ade a omo ahihya to ho enom de yo madwuma sanya saa enti ma se adwuma kora na mo se obi akoye enti mo achi no obi ayebi ene de mo se mo nka ho asem mo ye hunu ye na o ma na etimo no so obi aban no a mo hoyi se frame ampanyin so besi from obi a benefit every galamsey mu 1 cedi na mo se mo nka ho asem na tema ho ntumi de mo mena na betwe man so na se betwe na so a nyame ehwe ye nyina
Koga I mean to
Mechi Obeba, Dero lawyer ne kasa no baby a mete no menya assurances menya more of a panic any fear because we share messages na eba no any send counter answers na corner. I think say ebia we will need more information as time goes on. Dero issues are raised here from the political side. I feel that there is more to do about it than that. We share senior Omushia presidents as of one is uncle for we want to hear you for Nina Cohen. Utie in summer course now Utie senior Attorney General Ne Casano. I said he was reading something that has already been agreed on. One, we've spoken to the Chief Justice. Who is the Chief Justice of Ghana now? Your Chief Justice. And I was acting Chief Justice. Of course, can say oni AG Akasa and your very specific lawyers and judges and our tribunals nesanoma and case see a VA case want to make case na say yen intend before December. Want to me impact in campaigning in Kumasi in internal elections has a role to play in this. Say yenye nintem court ne bane sa anoma no adwuma yesi o ye wo region ho no ontumi nye again say utumi eya whatever ni input or ni rule ewo mu ewo the incoming flag bearership elections were region no impact ebenya wo so but say wa enne jujemu na umaye no details are umaye any even utie from our win what the chiefs have said any evidence any videos any will compare normal yeka ewo akonta mining and the documentary that has been shown ene Erastus any other nkrofo what evidence of government in power chairmans ni other people where galamsey why won't me and listening to a president or all can say ni oba abemu ye ma licenses ewo mining hu biom na beto just over 20 people 20 licenses release no don't you think say I mean sada no share president anybody language we na mo pese metie me ka kire mu ade ni minim say ekoso ba me mfa me hu nhye the wound to me case for me is more of say witch hunting say scapegoat ade a mentiase a me pe futu wo ho ne say one
to me radio 95.9
ochi nipa no one man bill also your investigation where we investigation and your court now the call some we investigations or charges ni because ya chimida ya me akoko that you do court ni kan o charges man enti ade na eso call attorney general office now call G2 manas e ho court
oye utie komo e court so na say wache o so new investigation call me here am afro nti umu anu afre chairman na chairman ko enti anka ne papa mu dia say o awie investigation person bo kwadu a o san so frɛ na wakɔ no wakan o charge a person do kɔ court na do akɔ court enti o say director CID no e frɛ no Emma o ka kyerɛ ne say omra ene Monday Emma mo so lawyer for ka kyerɛ ne so ne lawyer ni hɔ enti no lawyer baba be dun kan ene Monday nti mo Tuesday no they will appear before them na mo aye bibia o hobia ena nipa na ofre on behalf of director CID no can say or kohun the boss no was san friend back then no kohun director no san friend back catch and say director CID no agiatum so momra Tuesday enti ono so watu ni kwan o akwantu no notice say attorney general issue threat say Chema untumi lawyers so mbeba Tuesday but o catch and say one men na on betch no e ho no lawyer appear could be can say e ho na ye problematic because sat we are under investigation anytime be an investigation here no you must make yourself available enti no say e ko ba say investigate my friend na ya dia ye no ma agree on a certain date mon san frey ye biem en kan say e bia Tuesday na ye gitum ni asesa ya adwene enti fan say bia chema untumi etna play mu kwa abrochiri
no nti ho no say me ni we agree ya say ke no na man ye be che no
ontimi emma then attorney general so na make akwa say anytime bia aban no asemi be sori aba galamsey na aban no ho kire ne pe no pe escape route bi afa ho no ma na afa chema ontimi because how na emrema no na wafa ho so ene na ma misro say utie ne nsem okan nyina no a me yanya ne ntantem ne fa wontumi nkotum na nkrofo haska say ye can see e bechi galamsey kingpins no ya ebibi and look me na me catch on the base say hu ayet ne say nkrofo puchi say ene okwa ye fa ne court ne man remand 2 weeks I know you are telling me yet and we cannot say whatever ebeba nti behwe ni bisi but no machi
ya dominion
na ho tsen
ya me aduma hode e wo ho
na aden
straight away kwaku
o say straight away o dey go straight away is o dey go straight away ni bra oba be o nsin bi eso yi ano o dey ba ne go straight away oba o bi nsin bi ano why so nti o dey cobra
mekuta krata was in my free attorney general office where ye 15th July 2025 was say what the command the executive director Yoko directive to investigate allegations of illegal mining activities by named individuals. Me Kakra was say, I write to direct your esteemed office to initiate investigations into suspected illegal mining activities being perpetrated by certain individuals within mining districts in the country. The directive is born out of 1, growing public concern, 2, corroborated by media reports and in
say or the force ebe si saade na no kwan a eje say yatunifo security fo atunifo say won fa force nko ansa na ode akọ ti mampani sesia yete he o man ya yete mu sesia yi ede empa ne action amode ku galamsey aye kire se moni abre se mutu galamsey ase ade amofre na national emergency. Mampani ene one of your appointees Eduji Tamakulu or the MP ano or say some years back Ghana had to import about $11 million worth of insure ene what they call pass
Happy FM 98.9
oh baby I am the bola goose ne ban me can bola goose abrofo niam o ma yusu mattresses ne sink ne toilet bowls ne ade ankofo yusu awie na oyom de ba no e am nkọ and the people are importing water from America, from UK, containers na eba no obehu mu na ye de imported water ka ho. Company, are you telling us say Uye campaign na wu crisscross Ghana, uko galamsey areas, ne wudi hunu ye no, enti jisi obi aka kire o se ade na yete ho no eba beku yen ansa na wo wahu ana. Yes, you are not a security expert, we agree. But threat na confronting ye no, mampani ji se wo military training. And son who said babies are being born with deformities.
98.9.
A just work military training. And son who said a bedu bribi ni potable water and po. A bedu bribi, and it is even here already. Adia nanka magane sika kesia paye koko and that's what you rain because of galamsey. Timampeni, we no mono. I just said security for catcher say agent someone son when you abre say hey and you to me for now me for action me call. So some now kind of very disappointing. especially when one kasawa describe this national canker as a national emergency. We have a national emergency that does not warrant a declaration of a state of emergency. Timami Muso say anka foreigners bi
Happy FM 98.9.
Burkina Faso fobi, Ivory Coast fobi, rebels bi, ena anka omakwaji a part of Ghana aboso. Omukure tuo, and it is happening in some of our forest reserves already. Omakwaji a kurabi aboso, a wobi intimi nkwo na womo ye ne womo pa. To this extent, to man penny about civil society for Kwakojina Parliament, a Jubilee House say, Momrani and Union Hong rebels we a bit too musosa. Penny, we are dealing with the same kind of problem. The people who are doing this are terrorists. They are turning themselves into rebels. They are grouping. Now, no, you see, Ashanti region. Papa bine neba, omo free mining site biba, nkofo shia womwa. Monfa mo gold metal detector machine na mo de call bush no mo fambra. Omo robi omo agye equipment no mo de kokko check asase no so. Eye penchen etu akasa ya bo papa ni tirimu tuo. Ne ba no nyame nko a etu eka no enkunu odayaresabia. There are places in Ghana and ne mabenu sis agisi ya ka kire wansa. There are places in Ghana and ne galamsey fosi wo mo ankasa barrier. Na omudu wa omosi wo mo ankasa checkpoint. Omudu ho no mo a almost scrutinizing Crawford. An immigration officer shared his experience. Or say, or call the duty point. Baby, obefa kono. Odu ye na galamsey for SC checkpoint. Ekura torchlight. Ekura tuo. Or no immigration officer, he had to hide his weapon. Odu no catch him so they go in duty post, or they go my duty post, and they say, oh, okay, oh, dear Besinko.
Happy FM 98.9.
President say, a just security for net to the foot. Say, on declare state of emergency, and sana why ye. Timampeni ye kwe unhuye. This country is under attack. Minia Haruna Maleba shared with me. Adiemi hu yankame de mame nkrofo momo de to so ma ye nyina ye hwebi. Amaleba Enra shared with me aban anamontu a watu so far about galamsey. Na me share pictures ni bi. Hey. Places named forest reserves. Adane asase prada da 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 da. Places that were once upon a time thick forest. Abaina ankasa aerial shots, drone shots of government. A painting a desert picture of a place now once upon a time near Freno, a forest.